Bereshit, chapter 15. After these things, the word of Yahuwah came to Avram in a vision, saying, "Don't be afraid, Avram. I am your shield, your exceedingly great reward." Avram said, "Adonai Yahuwah, what will you give me, since I go childless, and he who will inherit my estate is Eliezer of Damascus?" Avram said, "Behold, to me you have given no seed, and behold, one born in my house is my heir." Behold, the word of Yahuwah came to him, saying, "This man will not be your heir, but he who will come out of your own body will be your heir." Yahuwah brought him outside and said, "Look now toward the sky and count the stars, if you are able to count them." He said to Avram, "So shall your seed be." He believed in Yahuwah, and he reckoned it to him for righteousness. He said to him, "I am Yahuwah who brought you out of Ur-Kasdim to give you this land to inherit it." He said, "Adonai Yahuwah, how will I know that I will inherit it?" He said to him, "Bring me a heifer 3 years old, a female goat 3 years old, a ram 3 years old, a turtle dove, and a young pigeon." He brought him all of these, and divided them in the middle, and laid each half opposite the other. But he didn't divide the birds. The birds of prey came down on the carcasses, and Avram drove them away. When the sun was going down, a deep sleep fell on Avram. Now terror and great darkness fell on him. He said to Avram, "Know for sure that your seed will live as foreigners in a land that is not theirs, and will serve them. They will afflict them 400 years. I will also judge that nation whom they will serve. Afterward they will come out with great wealth, but you will go to your fathers in shalom. You will be buried in a good old age. In the 4th generation they will come here again, for the iniquity of the Amorite is not yet full." It came to pass that when the sun went down and it was dark, behold, a smoking furnace and a flaming torch passed between these pieces. In that day Yahuwah made a covenant with Avram, saying, "To your seed I have given this land, from the river of Egypt to the great river, the river Perat, the Kenites, the Kenizzites, the Kadmonites, the Hittites, the Perizzites, the Rephaim, the Amorites, the Canaanites, the Girgashites, and the Jebusites."